If you have multiple layers in your video project and you need to increase the opacity of a specific video clip, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So don't miss a step and follow me. So I'm using CapCut stock material that they provide, and what you can do is just go over to the left hand side, make sure you are on the import tab and go down and look for stock material. Here you can have a look through hundreds of videos, including transitions, intros and outros, backgrounds and green screens, and choose the videos that you would like to add to your timeline. So simply from this process, you're going to go ahead and tap on the plus icon. This is now my first video, and what we're going to do is we're going to add a second video. Now, instead of clicking the plus icon, which will lay that video over here behind my first video, what I want to do is click down and drag it so that it's a layer above my first video. We can now go ahead and adjust the duration of each one of these videos so that they match. And now we're going to go ahead and click on the top video. So as you can see over here on the right hand side, I now have a few more options, and we're going to scroll down and look for blend, and you're going to open the window. As you can see, there is an opacity, and here you can just run this dial down to change the opacity. You can also simply type in the value that you would like in this block, or you could use the up arrow and down arrow to change the opacity. As you can see, I've put it on 70%, and you can actually see both videos through this preview plane over here. And if you would like to change the way they look, you can actually go to mode and use this drop down menu. Use some of these presets and go ahead and explore and see what works best for your needs. If this was a helpful guide, please do drop us a like. We'll see you next time, folks. Peace out.